The immigration lawyer at the center of a high-profile FBI raid earlier this year is now facing accusations himself. He's being brought up on allegations of professional misconduct.
We were there when the feds went in, and the I-Team's Brian Crandall is back tonight with new information. Brian?
Jean, Patrice, the court investigation of lawyer Joseph Molina Flynn, more than 100 pages, is 2 years in the making. It follows up on that raid a few months ago. 10 clients made mostly similar claims going back a couple years that they paid thousands of dollars, but they say Molina Flynn did not file important immigration documents on their behalf. We were there in January as federal agents raided the Providence law office of Joseph Molina Flynn, taking boxes of files with them. Molina Flynn was also a municipal judge in Central Falls, but resigned the post the day of the raid. The feds have not filed any criminal charges against Molina Flynn and have not said what they're investigating. But in early February, I reported they filed court action seeking to take his East Greenwich home, claiming he lied on his mortgage application. And now we're learning more about complaints against the immigration lawyer starting 2 years ago. The state court system's disciplinary officer launched an investigation then after receiving complaints from Molina Flynn clients. The complaints, detailed in the allegations filed with the state Supreme Court earlier this month, all have the same theme. Clients claim they paid Molina Flynn thousands of dollars for immigration work, some to help them stay in the country, only to find out their documentation was not filed with the federal government. The court investigation backed up claims by checking with the feds and let the government know about the complaints. Clients also complained they were stonewalled by Molina Flynn's office for months or years when they questioned what was happening with their case. We went by Molina Flynn's office today. It appears open. We wanted to see if he had anything to say.
No, I'm sorry. No.
The court's disciplinary officer also states there were complaints against the attitude of Molina Flynn's staff, including the receptionist, who's his mother. And the complaint claims Molina Flynn dragged his feet responding to the court inquiry, though he did meet with the disciplinary officer a year ago and has refunded some client money. Does he have anything he wants to say about what happened?
No.
And Molina Flynn has also not responded to my message seeking comment. The court's chief disciplinary officer is now seeking a hearing to air the allegations against Molina Flynn and make a recommendation for professional disciplinary action. The court investigation also found Molina Flynn was using his bank account, his business one, to pay personal credit card bills. And we still have to wait and see what the feds do or do not have after that raid. I'm Brian Crandall, NBC 10 News.